And welcome back. As you saw before the break, we were above average today, although we did pick up a little bit of precipitation. Just over or just under an inch and a quarter across our area. 69 degrees was our high, 57 our low. So we only had about 11-degree difference across the region. Look at that. Yeah, 2017 set a record of 84 degrees. Not near that. We're not looking at any 80s in our future, unfortunately. Looking at a little bit cooler temperatures, but then we start to warm back up. Unfortunately, with that warm up comes the chance of rain. Speaking of rain, it's on off to our east right now. We're just left with some clouds across our area. That cold front moved on through, so those winds are out of the north. And behind it, once we get these clouds out, we're looking at some drier air. This is our water vapor satellite. You can see where the oranges and yellows are. That's drier air again, where we have the whites and the greens and the blues. So we have more moisture across the area. And right there is the last of this system, and it'll be pushed on off here. And then we'll be left with, again, some colder conditions. So tonight we'll be clearing out 36 degrees. Those winds will be out of the northwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. And what's the lookout on future radar? Well, we'll push this on off to the east. Clear skies throughout tomorrow. Your Wednesday is looking really nice across the area. I mean, we're looking at plenty of sunshine, and we're going to have to kind of enjoy that because as we get on to Thursday and Friday and even the weekend into next week, we're looking at increasing clouds and chances of rain overall. So for tomorrow, high pressure builds in. That's our friend, but it's not going to last too long. So we're going to have those northerly winds. Once this pushes on off to the east, we'll have those southerly winds return. That's why we're not looking at a long period of being colder than average. We're going to get those southerly winds, help bring back some moisture, some warming air. Overall, not too bad. Tomorrow we'll be in the mid to lower 60s across the area. Those winds will be out of the northeast 5 miles per hour. Pretty calm. They will eventually switch, though, to out of the south once that high pressure moves on off to the east and under mostly sunny skies. And then later this week, yeah, more rain across the area. Well, what's happening? Well, we have a pretty big ridge that's setting up over Alaska right now. So storm systems kind of have to go on over that, and then they kind of dive down into the central U.S., and we're getting these little waves again in the jet stream. We always have those, but it seems like we just can't get a big break in the action, or we got one last week, but now we're kind of getting to that more active weather pattern. And we'll have plenty of moisture with some instability and get some rain, maybe some thunderstorms across the area. Next 7 days, we're only looking at maybe an inch to an inch and a half. I say only because our friends up to the north are looking at 2 to 3 inches of rain. And again, this could wobble some, so just kind of be prepared for that. But an inch to an inch and a half is going to be pretty common across the area over the next week. And we're looking at, again, several rounds. And now, how about our temperature outlook? Yeah, the blue is back in the forecast. Luckily, we're kind of on the southern edge of it, but 80 to 90% chance of being below average for most of the U.S. We're about looking to a 30 to 40% chance of that. Not looking to last too long. So your weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz & Associates. Next 3 days, we get a nice warm up, 63 degrees for your Wednesday, mostly sunny skies. Overnight lows will be in the 30s, but then we quickly warm up. We'll be in the 70s for Thursday into Friday. Overnight lows will be in the 50s, although increasing clouds for your Thursday, maybe a stray shower for your Friday. And as we get on to Saturday and Sunday, yeah, mostly cloudy, brief showers. We'll still be in the 70s as well. Overnight lows will be in the 60s, so that'll be pretty nice. Cold front moves through Sunday night and drops our lows into the 40s. Our highs will be in the 50s for Monday, though. Then we jump back up nearly 25 degrees for your Tuesday. But again, if you notice, rain and drizzle is possible basically from Friday through your weekend into Monday and Tuesday. The weekend overall, though, besides that, some of us will see maybe some glimpses of the sun. But the temperatures are not too bad. Just the chances of rain is all we got to worry about right now.
All right. Thanks a lot. Sounds good, too.